Okay, you count the chairs.
Kaati na. Dere mo. Dere mo. Color yellow.
No, again. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay, how many chairs? 9. 10 naman na. 9. Okay, you write number 9 here. Like this, oh. Ate, 9. Okay, you write number 9 here. Oh, okay. Oh, we'll answer that. Not there. Here. 9 chairs. Okay, very good. Okay, this one be 8 plus 3. Okay, let's count again. This is 8 bag plus 3 ribbons. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, very good. You write number 11 here. Like this. Like this, 11. Here, you write here. Number 8. No, here. 11. Okay, and then let's count the table. How many tables? 1, 2. Oh, pila man ka table? How many? Oh, what's that? 2. Oh, okay, you write number 2 here. You write number 2. Like this, 2. Like this. Okay, you write. Ano. Go there. Okay, very good. Now, 9 chairs plus 2 tables. Let's count. 9
You're
many
already a
chairs
princess to me, Maya.
plus 2.
You're
Okay,
a pretty princess.
10,
Hi, Princess Maya.
11. Okay. So you write number 11 here.
Hi, Princess Maya.
No, sabi ba?